5 steps to import well logs into GES. Click Import Data. Select well logs data type. Choose File. Select GES attribute to match with file attribute. Apply to all and import. When you drag file into GES, file format will be automatically recognized. I will show you by software. This is LAS format. This is ASCII format. They both are automatically recognized. By checking or unchecking, you can determine which files need to be imported and which do not need to be imported. Select well name to match file. Normally well name also can be recognized, but you can change if you need. Also, you can enter start row number and end row number to control the start line and end line of imported data. Click on the capital letter G. The data will automatically jump to the position of the capital G. Also click capital S for choosing curve SP. After select the GES attribute, unit will be automatically updated according to selected curve. Attributes marked with 2 asterisks are data that must be selected and imported. After finishing setting for the first well, click Apply to all. The settings will be applied to the rest of wells. Click Import to finish logs importing. Go to Data pane. You can check the data. Continuous data and interval data can both be imported into GES as discrete logs. Let me explain interval data first. Go to Home ribbon. Click Discrete Logs Settings. Discrete setting window will pop up. Define discrete log category. Take this data for example, lithology. Make sure attribute name or code of lithology is same with your interval data. The following step is same with other data. Go to Home ribbon. Click Import Data. Import Data window will pop up. Select Discrete Logs data type. Choose File. Select GES attribute to match with file attribute. Apply to all and import. I will show you by software. Next, I will show you how to import continuous data. The first step is also to do discrete data setting. The difference with interval data is data type. When importing continuous data as discrete log, since the data only have one column of depth data, you need select well logs data type. I will show you by software. Click Spreadsheet. You can check discrete log data. The lithology data is interval data. After importing into GES as discrete logs, data in GES will be exactly like raw data. Facies data is continuous data. After imported into GES, data will be organized and merged into interval data. Like this well, from 1200 meter to 1382 meter. Facies is floodplain. So in software, we'll merged into interval data with start depth 1200 meter and end depth 1382 meter. At the end, I want to talk more about discrete log setting. This setting is more like creating a template of discrete. You can edit attribute name, color, style, etc. You can add, delete, attribute and adjust attribute sequence for each category. After you building template, you can export and send to other members, so the whole team can use same settings. And you can also import other members' template to your project.